Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Beyond Bank account online. To do so, you will have to first go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, on the search box, search for www.beyondbank.com.au and then press enter. This will take you to their website. Before beginning, I would like to tell you more about Beyond Bank. It is an Australian customer-owned bank, meaning owned by its members rather than shareholders. Beyond Bank places a strong emphasis on community involvement and social responsibility. It supports various community initiatives and projects through its Beyond Bank Foundation, which focuses on education, health, and community welfare. Now, if you want to log into your account, you will have to go to the login button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on the login button, this will take you to the login portal. Now here, if you are a new member and want to open an account now, then you may click on the new member open an account link right below the login button in yellow. Now, if you do have an account, you may proceed by entering your member number. Once you do so, you may enter the password in the second text box as well. In any case, if you forget your password, you may click on the Forgot Your Password link below. Once you make sure you've entered all your details correctly, then you may click on the login button. This is how you may easily log into your Beyond Bank account online. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.